Then in the relation between father and son, there is one more request of Yusuf al-Islam's brothers had done something wrong with Yusuf al-Islam. They threw him, there's a whole narration. So after the sons realized, they said to their father, they threw the son in the well. These brothers of Yusuf al-Islam threw the son in a well. That's the narration in Surah Yusuf. And they lied to their father, and that whole narration is there. So when they realized that we have done wrong, so they said to their father, Surah Yusuf 12, 97 and 98, قَالُوا يَا آبَنَا اسْتَغْفِرْ لَنَا ذُنُوبَنَا إِنَّا كُنَّا خَاطِئِينَ قَالَ سَوْفَ أَسْتَغْفِرُ لَكُمْ رَبِّي إِنَّهُ هُوَ الْغَفُورُ الرَّحِيمُ. They said, O our father, seek for us forgiveness for our sins. Surely we are the ones who commit mistake. He, that is Yaqub, said, soon I will seek forgiveness for you from my Lord. Surely He, Allah, is the oft-forgiving, most merciful. Yusuf al-Islam had brothers. They were jealous of Yusuf al-Islam, so they threw Yusuf al-Islam in a well. And they lied to their father that the wolf had eaten Yusuf al-Islam. That's the narration. So after this whole narration, and after that Yusuf al-Islam was right, and they came to know everything was all right, so they were guilty, so they wanted to ask forgiveness from Allah and to their father. So they said so we say to each other, you ask for forgiveness. Have you heard this? Muhammad Shaykh, you ask for forgiveness. We also pray, you also pray. There are people to say. So you can say, but remember, you can say only when you are doing right. His father knew that their sons did commit a mistake, they repented, they amended. Now they are asking, قَالُوا يَا أَبَنَا اسْتَغْفِرْ لَنَا ذُنُوبَنَا إِنَّا كُنَّا خَاطِئِينَ. They are accepting their mistake. Not that I am doing same thing wrong again and you are asking me, you pray for me. It is not like that. These brothers, they said, our father, seek for us forgiveness for our sins. Surely we are the ones who commit mistake. We have committed a mistake. That is why they are asking. So further, for that, Yaqub al-Salam said, قَالَ سَوْفَ أَسْتَغْفِرُ لَكُمْ رَبِّي إِنَّهُ هُوَ الْغَفُورُ الرَّحِيمُ. He said, soon I will seek forgiveness for you from my Lord. Surely is Allah the forgiving, merciful.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Shaykh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.